Right now, we're seeing a notable divergence in the sentiment around regulation, with a score of -0.19 and a momentum of +0.23. This negative sentiment is particularly striking against our historical baseline, where regulation typically trends more positively. The shift suggests an emerging concern that could impact your compliance strategies or regulatory forecasts. In this context, our API returns a detailed analysis of sentiment trends, including 19 semantic clusters that provide insights into the key themes driving this negative sentiment. Imagine leveraging this data to fine-tune your risk assessment models or adjust your regulatory compliance strategies in real time. For more in-depth information, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dig into the data and stay one step ahead.